Hola, it's Solly Dime, and I'm back to you with another video. This is going to be a voiceover because I'm listening to music in this video and I'm goofy. So, yeah, I had to do that. Also, I'm not sure if I'm going to get super in-depth because I don't know. I feel like this whole makeup video thing is just so uptight now, but LOL. I'm using a James Charles palette, Morphe. Um, I will try to list the shades below though, because I'm not honestly gonna go and grab that from over on my desk because I didn't think about that before starting this recording. But how's everybody's day going? What's tea? What's the 411? What's going on? So I just started my second semester, and pretty much already over it, but that's college. Ha, ha, ha. Help me. Anywho, I am blending out my foundation now with a Shop Miss A brush. I love these brushes, y'all. You guys should really go and get a set. This is their buffer. Almost said kombucha, bitch. I meant to say kabuki. But that foundation I was wearing is the Makeup Revolution matte foundation in F13, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. Well, actually, no, that's the stick. I lied. The stick is totally not matte, but it works for me. And I'm using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer here in 12.7. When I say it's a bop, it's a bop. Yes, I do love this concealer. If you hear the bells in the background of this recording, it's my cat. He's a very active kitty. Please move, Kathy. I'm trying to do something. Thanks. All right. Anywho, now I'm just blending that out with another Shop Miss A brush because they're bomb. And for some reason, I've switched from using a lot of sponges to using brushes for my makeup mostly. And I've never been that type of person, but I'm riding that wave recently. So, that's cute. Move. Not y'all, the cat. Anywho. Now I'm just blending the concealer down my nose. As you can see, I'm not really into contouring my nose anymore because I don't think I have the nose for that. And the sponge that I'm actually setting my face with right now is a Shop Miss A sponge. It's called the baking sponge, and I love it because it you can get that crisp little line under your contour, you can get underneath your eyes, you can get on the sides of your nose. It's really convenient. And that's me dancing the Queen Scissor. Yes, we have bright ideas. Ooh, Lord. Oh my God. Don't we all love that bronze look? Ooh, bitch. Ow, Kathy, don't do that, please. Daddy's doing something. All right. Oh my God, y'all know when you're doing your makeup and you just had something in your hand and you you misplaced it and you can't find it anywhere? That's what had just happened at that moment right there. Include the clip. Ooh, that face, boy. And of course, I just brought all of that blush onto my forehead because I like things to be cohesive. And you should too. And I can't open anything. My acrylics are just for show, honestly. And I'm not ashamed of that. And I'm highlighting with the Shop Miss A highlighter because I love that brand. And you get the gleam for $1. I'm finished. I'm feeling myself clearly. Cute little slow-mo moment. Bye.